Okay, folks, welcome back. We're going to solve some of these exercises that is found in the book Circle Geometry. O is the center of the circle. Calculate angle A. As you can see here, this subtended angle has the arc CD. So CD is our arc. So we can see that the central angle, O, it has also CD as an arc. So that means this is double of the subtended angle, 64. What can I do more? What can I do more is that I can this is a parallel. The sine is a parallel. That means they are parallel. And if I am going to make this longer, that means this one, this one, is also 64. They are equal. They are called alternative angle. That means this is also 64 degrees. Why? Because they are equal. They are both radius. Now I am ready. I am ready to solve for A. A is equal to 180 degrees minus 64 times 2. So if you will solve that, I hope you will get 52. 180 minus 64 times 2. And you got 52 degrees. Okay, let's try another. O is the center of the circle. Calculate angle B. Here is our angle B. As you can see here, our arc now that gives us interest now, right now, is IJ. From this one, I to J. And if you can see, the central angle is a straight, or the diameter. That's 180. So central angle O, angle O, is equal to 180 degrees. And the subtended angle K, the subtended angle K, should be half of 180. That's 90, according to theorem number 3. Such that this one now, just this one, another color. Just this one. It should be 90 degrees minus 38 degrees. So we got 2 and then 52 degrees. That means this one now, just this K, the angle IJ IK L is equal to 52 degrees. But as you can see, it has also an arc IL. And the central angle IOL has also an arc IL. So that means it should be double that is 104 degrees. So this one is 104 degrees. Now we are ready. That means we have, this is also B, because this is a radius, this is also a radius. So we have 2B is equal to 180 degrees minus 104, such that we have 2B is equal to 180 minus 104, then we have 76. We divide both sides of the equation by 2, then we have B is equal to 38 degrees. I hope. 7 divided by 2 is 3, 16 divided by 2 is 8. Let's try another. O is the center of the circle. Calculate C. This one is the C. That one. How do we do? This is a point of interest. They are parallel. So if I am going to make this longer, that means this angle is equal to that angle. So this is 54 degrees. And if I am going to do this one, that is, if I will go call that for X. X is 180 degrees minus 54 degrees. So we have 180 degrees minus 54 degrees. Then we have 126 degrees. So this one, 126 degrees. Now as you can see, this is my arc that I am interested now. This one, this arc. So my arc now, this one, is double the 126. So my angle A, my central angle O, is equal to 2 times 126 degrees. That's times 2, 252. 252 degrees. And then, since this one is 360, so I am going to use 360 degrees minus 252 degrees. I have 360 minus 252, and I have 108 degrees. This one is 108 degrees. 108 degrees. Now, this angle, another pen, this angle, the central angle here, this one, has this the central angle, we will put MON, that is 108, has an arc MPN, and also the subtended angle R has the same M and P, they have the same arc. That means subtended angle R is half of the central angle MON. That is 54 degrees. Let's see this one. O is the center of the circle. Calculate angle B. And I think what he meant, the author meant, is angle D. Okay, so this is the subtended angle. So this is double. So we have 64 degrees. And if I will name this A, so we have 80. So angle O has arc 80, as you can see there. And that means also the subtended angle W has an arc the same as the central angle 80. And also the subtended angle V, which is equal to 32, has also the same. AT has. O is now 64 degrees. That means W is half of 64. That's the same as 32 degrees. This is a very good example now to introduce to you that there is a theorem that says that if you have a central angle and you have many subtended angles, as long as they have the same arc or chord, then you have the angle, the subtended angles are equal. So angle B or angle W or the D, this is D, are equal to each other. I hope you learned something about this. Examples on theorem number 3, subtended angle and central angle. And see you around for the next theorem. It should be theorem number 4.